Let's feed the animals. I have some hungry grass puppies. You need some breakfast? Tachi, you need some? Yes? You need some breakfast? Jasmine's like, hurry up and feed me. We're starving. Can't you see it? We're so skinny. On to the goats. A lovely chilly morning. Good morning, ladies. Good morning, ladies. Oh my goodness, everyone's ready for breakfast. Good morning. Hi, baby girls. Hi, baby girls. Hi, babies. Yeah, you need some breakfast? Hi, Mama. Hi, Maybell. Hi, Zorro. She doesn't want you this morning. She's had her fun with you. She says, I'm done. Hi, handsome. Look, she says, feed me. And last but not least, you guys. Zusi. Hi, Phoebe. Hi, Phoebes. And Cappuccino. And Mocha, who's hiding behind Zusi Kabusi. Where's Val? Valkyrie. Where's Val? Val, you're over there. There you are. You're hiding. You guys ready for some breakfast? Are we ready for breakfast? Okay.